Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the notifications settings in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. There are some notification settings in Line you can change. I'm going to show you to them. Go to Line, and after you go to Line, what you need to do is click on Home. So you can see Home on the bottom left. Go ahead and tap on it and click on Settings. After you do so, you can scroll a bit down and find Notifications, which is right under General. Go ahead and tap on Notifications, and if you want to turn off the whole notifications at once, you can do that, and you can see that all of the notifications has now been turned off. But if you want to turn it off individually, you can just go ahead and enable the notifications, and you can see some of the notification types over here. If you want to turn on off the notifications through the system, you can just go ahead and tap on it, and you can see that this is the system one. All of the notifications will automatically be turned off. But if you want to turn it on, you can see that it will automatically tell you to do it. Just go ahead and allow it, because you might miss some notifications. So go ahead and go to Notifications, and if you want to mute or add or change the notification settings, you can do it from here. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can see some of the options of notification settings like mentions, message previews, group invitation notifications, Line Pay notifications, and a lot of other like friend requests, general notifications, and you can see others. So you can change this notification settings according to your wish. So if you don't want any type of notifications, if someone sends you a friend request, you can individually turn that off rather than turning every notifications off. So I hope this video about how you can change the notification settings in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.